action.
Off to the scene of the crime. The first crime. The only crime! The body of Pepe Vincenzo Marti. Everything seems to be intact. What's this? If found, please return to 91 Greenhorn Jane? Jane. I thought I saw enough of this girl last time. Off to the station.
So really? No, it's not their kind of partner. And he's gone too.
It was the husband! He did it!
It's a sister.
One successful night.
To you,
Open up! It's the police!
possibilities between the two.
One moment,
I don't
please!
get it. A man can't have a working friendship with his partner. I mean, it has to be more than that.
It's not my point. I'm wondering if you think...
Jane, you are under the arrest for the murder of Vincenzo Pepe Marti! I didn't do it! Hands behind your back. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. In court!
No! I have the right! This is America, remember? Call my lawyer!
Scene of the crime. Let's see what we got here. Pillows, brisk, cabinet. The jacket which was seen during the kill. Stolen in the evidence locker. Nope. Nope. The axe. With the blood of the warrior. And the mask used to kill. Let's go. It's all going back to the station. Fucking chair, bro.
You're dead, shut up!
You're dead.
No one's there. Must be downstairs. What was that? Downstairs.
Probably the surprise in the beginning of the season of the best team in the Western Conference. However, they scare the heck out of me. Not from the point.
Line deny, girl. Line deny. Oh God. I didn't do it, I was afraid.
Just shut up. And everything will be okay.
You're pretty bad coffee, can't turn on the freaking light now.
You know what?
Don't hit me, it's abuse!
These things are more interrogating with these things on. Now, you will either admit to what you did, and we can
What
do this
did
the
I do?
easy way.
Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't pay for the paper I found on the ground. I'm sorry!
You murdered Vincenzo Pepe Marti. Did you do it?
No, I didn't!
You did
No, I didn't!
it! Yes, you did!
No, I didn't!
Admit to what you did. Or
Okay, I'm
else
sorry! I'm sorry, I didn't pay for the subscription either!
We have the evidence.
Show me the evidence!
How do you explain this axe in your bed with the blood of Pepe Vincenzo Marti on it?
Oh, well, you see, yesterday we were. I had his teeth were hurting, so I used that as like a toothpick, but my hand slipped. So
Don't lie to
I'm
me!
not lying.
Yes, you are!
Okay, let's all be friends. Let's all be friends now.
I have more.
No, you don't.
This is your jacket that we found in the security system cameras. Do you know what I'm talking about?
No!
play dumb with me.
Yeah, what's your excuse?
Ah! I have more evidence. The last piece. Your canister with your address and your name on it found at the scene of the crime. How do you explain that?
That's my sister's.
Oh yeah?
See, my name is Plain Jane. Her name is Me Jane. Oh my god.
Admit to it,
Not mine.
or you'll be sentenced to a life of prison.
If I do admit, or if you find out, which didn't happen.
It happened.
No, it didn't.
Would you like to see the security camera footage?
No.
Well then,
It's
Jane,
full.
you are going to prison
No.
right now.
No, you can't. You have that. I demand a free trial. I didn't do it.
You did it!
Liar.
Stop it there. Hey Marty, I'm just
You down, please.